In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create functions in Supabase. SQL Guide 2026. Functions in Supabase are PostgreSQL functions that run directly in your database. They let you centralize business logic, reuse complex queries, and safely expose database operations to your applications. Start by heading to supabase.com. Once the site loads, log into your account using your usual sign-in method. This part is quick. Choose your provider or email, authenticate, and you'll land on the dashboard. On the homepage, pick the organization that contains the project you want to work with. This helps keep your resources organized, especially if you collaborate across multiple environments or teams. Next, open your existing project. You can also create a new one if needed, but for now we'll work inside an existing project so the function can interact with your current database. Remember, Supabase gives you auto-generated APIs and client libraries like the JavaScript SDK, which can later call your function via RPC, but our focus here is creating the function itself. Inside the project, look to the left-hand navigation. Click Database to access the database tools and management views. This is where you'll find tables, SQL editors, and the functions area. Within the database section, locate the database management options and choose functions. This page lists any functions you've already created and is where you'll design new ones. Click Create a new function. This opens the function editor with fields for everything you need. Now enter the details. Give your function a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to discover later. Choose the schema where it will live. Most tables and routine project objects are in the public schema by default, which keeps things consistent if your tables were made in the table editor. Set the return type to match what the function will output, such as a single value or a set of rows. Add any arguments your function needs. Arguments can be referenced in the function body by their names or by position, like the first or second argument, so use whichever is most readable for you and your team. In the definition area, write the function body. By default, the language is pgSQL, which is ideal for procedural logic in PostgreSQL. If you need a different language, you can adjust that in advanced settings. When everything looks good, click Create Function to save it. That's it. You've created a Supabase function that you can now call from SQL or your application code. Keep your names consistent, validate inputs inside the function, and document what it returns so it's easy for teammates to use.